Welcome to part 10 of Build Your Own 3D Printer. Hopefully I can do something this week, because I won't be able to do something in issue 7 or 8 or 9. That's what I've got so far. So let's open looks like I've got a motor here. Take a quick look at the magazine. 3D in the air industry. And there's the web access code. It's an airplane you can make, hip joint. Looks like a jet. Party block. A cup above the rest, so you're making like a cup, I suppose. And you can start doing curves, getting into shape, crossing the void. Bridging spaces, viaducts such as this one are composed of series of smaller arch bridges. With careful planning you can print overhangs with and bridges without having to rely on support structures that can be annoying and time consuming to remove. Okay, this is going to be quite complicated. And then there's some bits where you can pick up hexagon part 2 extensions. Okay, and there's the y-axis cover, so okay, okay, right, so let's go back. Disassemble. Okay, it's going to start looking complicated. A motor, and there's that bit. Okay, fitting. Okay, so I've got to slide this bit, slide the timing belt, gear 26. So it's got to go down like so. Slide the timing belt onto the spindle of the Y-axis motor. So this bit's got to go on this bit here. So then I've got to put this bit, this tiny little bit there. Spin that bit around. Okay, the flat side of the spindle, align the end of the gear with the end of the spindle, fix a rub screw using Allen key, using the tight screws against the flat edge of the spindle. So that's that bit fixed on. Okay, so then this bit's got to go this is starting getting complicated. Okay, so that bit goes on. Let's move. Oh, I see, so that bit's got to go. That bit's got to go like that, with that bit on like that. Oop, and then that bit's going to go, and that's got to go tight. Bit's got to go in there. Okay. Now I've got to get the 4 screw bits. Three. Now what I've got these 4 screws. Okay, fix the Y-axis motor. Okay, fix the Y-axis motor underside Y-grant bottom cover. Large hole position beside the limit switch, wrap together timing belt around the teeth of the timing belt. Okay, so I've got to fix the belt. Slide the motor outwards to the tension of the belt against the tightening for ensure the wires from the limit switch are not wrapped around or touching the motor spindle or timing belt gear. And the limit switch. Okay, so I've got to whoops, these make this switch. Seems to be the first screw going in. Second screw in. Just put it in roughly. Okay, so So the wire goes out that way by the looks of things, and this needs to go around. Okay, I've got to make sure fit the Y motor on the side of the Y going at the bottom, covers the timing belt gear pushes through large hole inside the limit switch, wrap the tooth timing belt around the teeth of the timing belt. So it looks like that's done. Let's untighten these a little bit. And then tighten them up. It's got to be tighten. Okay, fix the 4 bolts. Yes, lie the motor out to tension the belt against the gear. Fully tighten the 4 bolts. Ensure the wires from the limit switch are not wrapped around or touching the motor spindle or timing belt gear. So I think that's okay. Next page. Do not connect. Important. Do not connect the AC power adapter to the motor tester board until you have completed steps 1 to 5 on the next page. Okay. Well, that's step 1. Step 2. Step 3. Manual movement. Check that timing belt 16 is fitted correctly by gently sliding the liner bearing block along the 2 Y shafts 6 and 10. The bearing block should slide smoothly and the timing belt should rotate the gear on the motor shaft 25. If movement is not smooth, adjust the white belt holder 11. Belt 12. Align it. Okay. Looks okay. Remove the lid from the temporary protector box 22. So I've got to take this out, protecting casing. Remove the lid from the temporary protective box which contains the tester motor. Carefully push the pins on the underside of the motor board into the two. Oh, I see, so I take that off. This is where this one comes in. This one. This is where I've been keeping things under wraps. So I suppose I get okay. So if I put this round this way, it looks like okay, so it looks like that goes around that way. Row. Ensure that the 7 row pins with one missing and the 8 row pins close, 7 and 8 looks lower. See that? You can see that, but there's one pin missing in the middle there. So I've got to carefully put that there like so. There's a pin missing there. The middle, can you see? There's 1, 2, 3. 1. See that there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Pin missing middle, 5, 6, 7. That's got to go. You can see that there's 1, 2 from the right. There's 4 holes, and on the left there's 3 holes. So that's got to go that way round. Carefully. Gone in nice and easy. Then replace the lid on the box. Okay. So, right, step 5, fit the wires to the motor test board, gently pushing the plug. Oh right, okay, so Okay, so make sure this goes the right way round. So it looks like it goes round that way round. Okay, let's take that. Push gently, plug into the end and the black wire from the limit switch into the 2-pin socket J5. So I've just done on the motor tester board, passing through the hole in the put box. Plug will only fit one way around the socket, so ensure the clip is on the side of the lined socket. Then push plug for the end of the red, blue and green black wires from the Y-axis motor socket, ensuring the clip slots into the socket. So it looks like this. And again, it will probably only fit one way round, so that goes in there. Okay, connecting the AC power. Okay, so I've got to cut out this now. So all these bits I've been saving.